everyone, it's Molly Fairley from the School of Psychic Studies to tell you about the new moon, which is coming in this workshop on Thursday the 23rd. The actual new moon is on the 24th, but we're doing the workshop on the 23rd. And this new moon is about air. It's an air sign, new moon in Aquarius, which means the mind, your mind, excuse me, your mind might be a little bit too jumbled. It might be in an argumentative mood inside you, lots of mood swings, ups and downs, backwards and forwards in. So it's a really, really good evening to do some spells but to do the clearing beforehand, because what we want for you is for you to be able to adjust to the change in energies. There's huge change going on at the moment in the sky, which will affect you as well in your own life. Adapt to change, because whether we like it or not, it's coming in very quickly, and also be able to stay focused with these rocky energies going on at the moment. So I don't think there's anything else I need to tell you about this, just to tell you it's on Thursday evening at 8 o'clock. It's a new moon in Aquarius, which is an air sign, and so I look forward to seeing you on Thursday evening, and in the meantime, have a good week.